Manzini Dabazabandu said land from Swazi Nation land is not for sale, and if there is a need for change of ownership, the community leaders, being the chiefdom, has to be informed and follow all the necessary procedures. Dabazabandu then gave a verdict that Mrs. Tapsile Pashis should vacate the Hlatshwago homestead within 31 days.
Kwakuthi kukuhluphe uthi ngathi kumele milengaka ngakaphumelele wathi thathathele wayofuna inhlazathi ngoba yathi ngeke kodwa wehlula ukuthi akadudana emphakathi sophinde kukushaye up to today sele chief court yakho ayibiki ebanga lomthatha konke lokho kuya kushaya konke uthi vele leti inkinga leti njena liyakuvuva libandla lihhovisi kandaba zabantu lithi alikwatise namhla likunika 31 days ube sewuphumile laphana ukubuyelele kuthatha uma kukhona lokufuna uyamthathela themba inyathelo akunike tonke imali yakho ngoba umhlaba wakangwana esicindini awuthengisa
ngihlobene nabo ngokuthi balambanga bathi ke angibalinze bayeda lapho ubuta nje ukuthi bangalinzwa ngimi ukuthi bayeda lapho ngoba banelikhala kubo kalobamba lomdzala le cha ke bagcina ke kwathi nsambama bagcina babalethile ke ngendlela ukuthi ngathi stabambisana nemaphoyisa emva kokukhona balahlela kimi bantwana bonke bangangisiki kuhambeke ngathi naku bantwana ngathi abayolahlwa emphakathi kalobamba ngoba ufanele ube ngulo wathi kabanti ngalabantwana cha ke umphakathi ke yangena ngendzaba emphakathi kalobamba yakhulunywa sekubitwa abadayisi nebathengi bekaba lukhuni kwaze kwathatha iminyaka lesikhombisa selesilwa lendzaba ukuthi siva ukuthi likhale bantwana leli dayiswa njani lo sijubo size siphuma ke kule nyanga le ngasho njalo la kandaba.
Reporting for Maswati Channel, I am Nohla Twala in a report compiled by Gary Carlos in Manzini.